Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about yen index and yen trades taken, a few of them, right? So let me show you, I'll take you for a little bit back to February 1st here, 2024. This is the chart I made. It's like a harmonic pattern, bad pattern. I mix and match harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, SNR level, right? So this is the system it's all about. So this was the chart I made, the bad pattern, all yen pairs will go up. And this chart, what happened to this one? Just follow that. See this boom to the upside, right? And I had a couple of nice, decent long trades. Then I made the chart that is gonna drop first and then go to the upside this way, right? So what happened to this chart? You can see it dropped exactly where I said that it's gonna 69.49, and then it went up big time all the way to this. I made this chart that's gonna go up and then all the way to this level here, 161% extension, making a butterfly pattern, right? Big butterfly pattern. These are like, Armani patterns. So this was a bad pattern, turned into a butterfly pattern, and then I said it's gonna drop like this, right? So I said it's gonna drop to this high here, and look what happened. Boom, it dropped, right? Then I said it's gonna go up. Here, this is the chart I made. It's gonna go up to this area here, 70.49. And look what happened. Went up very close, right? 70.49. It went up there, went up and then hit that number. And then I said, now it's gonna drop. Look, not now, but on the 4th, March 4th. So see, it went up, hit that 70.49, and then I made this pattern that okay, according to this pattern, we need to come to this 79.63, and boom, here 79.75. It went down a little bit more, but this is what I just recorded the chart here. So coming down, I had several trades. Going up and down, every step of the way, I had trade. But just want to show here that this coming down is like, this is the way that I take my trade with my EA robot, right? So this is sell order here, 115 pip, pound yen. By the way, when you see this, when I say showing that it's going to drop here, right? I also write down here that all yen pairs will go down if it stay below 23% line. All yen pair. So this is what happened. When yen index goes up, all yen pair will go up. When it goes down, all yen pair will follow it to the downside. So that's exactly what happened. If it came down, I had pound yen short, I had euro yen short for 130, I had USD yen short for 170 pip. By the way, all these trades have to be with the setup, nothing without the setup. I have a setup that requires 4 conditions. Then I have the alarm beep and give me a signal. And then if I want, then I can put my EA robot and that open up the trade automatically after the beep start beeping and the setup is built. So this was a beautiful entry here, 170 pip to the downside. All of these few trades, USD yen from 7-minute chart on the 7th. This one came down as well for 70 pip. Then I made this chart on 11th, 8, 9. Well, I think it was like a weekend. Then 10th, nothing happened. 11, I made this chart that it came down all the. This is the higher time frame, a little bit, in the Renko charts. Those harmonic patterns were on like 20-minute charts, and this is like 33-minute chart, right? So it's a little higher time frame. And then it's like a daily chart, regular daily chart. So this was the drop. So I said, it's going to bounce from here and then go to this high here, 76.16. So, and I said, if this happened, then they all will go up. So they did, but they never, it didn't give me the setup. Only one pair gave me the setup, which was, you see this? It went there exactly the same place. And it gave me this USD yen only for 75 last week on Friday. Now, what is the case? The case is, this is the new chart that I made. Yen index 20 minutes. So this was, bad pattern, and this turned into butterfly, then another bad pattern to the downside. Now, this is what is cooking. Came down all the way here to 78%. It went up to 38%. Now, this is the area. There was another level I forgot to post, 7016, right? So 7016 or 7026, this thing should take should go to the downside. If it goes to the downside, it will go for this pattern And then what will happen? I forgot to put here, but like I said, that every time all the yen pair goes down, I mean yen index goes down, all pair will go down, right? I probably have another. Okay, here's the regular Japanese stick candlestick, right? Chart here, and it says here that when yen index goes up, all yen pair also go up. When yen index goes down, all yen pair go down. Now this is the area 7016, 7026, 61% of this drop. If this thing hold here and then start dropping, it will come first to this area 23% line. If that happen, all yen pair will be going down. That's what I'm waiting for now. So this week, let's see what happens. We need to hold this area. Okay, 7616, 7620. Let's say if we do that, this is the diagram that's going to come down here, 23% line. Then either it's going to continue dropping or go up, make a harmonic pattern, and then drop, right? So let's see what happens. Let's see. I'm just waiting. We are already in the London session, Monday opening, Monday morning time, 3:30, 3:46 actually, 3:46 a.m. Eastern time. So let's see if this thing hold and drop. All right. So this is it for now. And I already posted my charts on the Telegram. This is the 4-hour chart. This is my harmonic pattern chart, butterfly. If it holds here and then drop, all yen pair will be dropping. Right. So I'll be taking it. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system and then learn how to trade it, you simply go to my website here. You have a monthly subscription, yearly subscription, lifetime subscription. One-on-one coaching if you need to learn everything from scratch. You have trading robot here, courses, all of that, blah, 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 right? So this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys. And be ready if yen index stays there, 7016, 7020 area, and then start dropping, then all yen pair will be going down, and I will be finding my short setups, and I'll be taking them. If not, for some reason, if it continue to go to the upside, then I will not see my short setups. I will instead see long setups, and then I'll take them. No problem, right? The London session is the volume session. So either way, that's the bottom line, 70-20. If it goes above and volume comes and then start taking the price to the upside, all yen pair will go to the upside, and then I will wait for my proper setup. Whichever pair give me the setup, I'll take them. And but I like the way that it's sitting there right now, and I like to see it drop and all yen pair dropping. So I'm looking for shorts for now this week. All right, starting today, March 18th. So let's see what happens. All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.